personality and which talks about various kind of personality parameters. First of all, we all know that this is a soft skill session. Surely, Shrimoy, Shantini. So we have to communicate and feel free to communicate as we had discussed in the previous session also. Whatever presentation I've shared in the previous class, I will share in the Google Classroom. I will also share in the group. So that is why I request everyone to join through that Google Classroom so that we can have one way of communication in the Google Classroom. Acha, before we start with the session, we will have a brief introductory session. Okay, Gaurav, you can start with it. Okay. Good evening, Gaurav. I think I'm audible to all of you. Okay. So we can start with it. Gaurav, audible? I think Gaurav has switched on his video, but he cannot hear me.
Yes,
Anurprati,
sir,
can you
I
hear
can
me?
hear you.
Yeah, now you are audible. Correct. Okay, start with a basic introductory introduction of yours, right? About yourself, uh, which talks about you, so that let's say there are 12 of us, and 12 of us don't know about you. So let's say you are unfamiliar with us, right? You are unfamiliar to us, and we do not know anything about you. So start with an introductory part about yourself and where do you see yourself
But sir,
5 years down the line, etc., etc., etc.
sorry for the introduction, sir. But I think I had already introduced myself in the last class.
No problem, Gaurav. We don't know you, so we would love to know about you once again. I mean,
Okay.
don't worry about that. You can start your introduction.
Yeah. Hi.
And those of you who don't have any inhibition can switch on their videos in the soft skill classes. No problem. The better while introducing, if there is no issue, you can switch on your videos if you're comfortable. Yes, start with it, Gaurav.
Yeah. Hi. I'm Gaurav. I'm basically from Kolkata, Srirampur, my native place, and right now I'm residing in Gurgaon. Actually, I have pursued my BTech in 2017, and after then I have done some post-graduation diploma in engineering sector, oil and gas sector. So in that way, I got a job, and now I am in Gurgaon. So, but and in upcoming 2 to 3 years, actually, I want to do an MS and in abroad. So I want to be settled in that in some of the European countries. So let's see what will happen.
Gaurav, I couldn't hear the last two lines. If you could repeat it. The call came suddenly and I got disconnected. If you could repeat the last two lines. Thank you.
Okay, so actually, I'm studying. I'm preparing for the IELTS nowadays, and I want to pursue my MS in some of the European countries. And so, in 2 to 3 years, I want to see myself to get a job or to start my career in some of those European countries. Let's see what will happen like that.
Okay. If you ask you that if you have committed any mistake in the last 5 years in your professional life, what do you think which could be that? I mean, if you are given an opportunity to go back to into a time zone of previous 5 years and rectify your mistakes, what could be that?
Mm, I haven't think like that. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Just a random situation. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Okay. Shrimoy, Shrimoy, I think you can hear me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shrimoy. Yeah. Where do you see yourself 5 years down the line?
So right now I am here to prepare exhaustively for CAT, and in the next years I love to see myself in some popular MN something.
Okay, so you wish to see yourself in a popular MNC 5 years down the line. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. So, Any one of you have done SWOT analysis, that is strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threat analysis? By the meantime, I will be sharing the presentation on the MBTI also, that is Myers-Briggs Thematic Indicators. So to begin with, those of you who are only comfortable can switch on the video. Rest of you can communicate. There is no inhibition that you have to communicate through switching on the video only, just so that you can open up and you can have more development. That is why I'm persuading and suggesting it. So yes, Shayani, good evening. Give a brief introduction about you, Shayani. Don't worry about the communication. Even if you falter in the communication, no problem. You can start with.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Yes.
I am Shani. I am Shani Mondal from Hooghly, Arambagh. I pursuing my BSc Agriculture second year now. My strength, I think I am good in drawing, and I can also dance and sing.
Okay, so your strengths are, you're saying you love to paint and you have also a passion towards dancing, right? So
Yes.
do you want to make up a career in either of them? About, if you talk about painting or the art and sculpture, or you want to go into dancing as a mode of career option, or you just want to see it as a passion?
Sir, it's my passion, hobby.
Okay. Basically, how many of you know what are the differences between a hobby and a passion? I mean, if I have to tell you, or if I ask you the differences between hobby and passion, how many of you know about it? Shaumadeep?
Hobby is basically, hi sir, Somadeep Raj this side.
Yeah.
Basically, hobby is passion is something which you could take it as a profession someday. Okay, hobby is like my hobby personally is collecting expensive fountain pens. Some people have hobbies like collecting stamps, currency notes. So that can be a hobby, but that cannot be a passion. Passion is something, for example, singing can be a passion. Dancing is a passion, which someday you can take up as a profession.
Okay. So hobbies can be a passion, but all passion cannot be hobbies. That's what you are referring to, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. I believe all of you would be able to see my screen in another 30 seconds. That is based on a personality traits, that is based on MBTI, that is Myers-Briggs Thematic Indicators. Before all of you start speaking, I will be telling you certain personality types through which a person is judged on a personality interview. जब भी हमको इंटरव्यू की बात करते हैं, whenever we talk about in interview, obviously there are certain specific traits they look out for, or there are certain specific characteristic traits they look out for on a negotiation table, on a B2B, that is business to business communication, or so on and so forth, whenever we talk about any such things. Basically, out of if we talk about 820 crore population in the entire world, right, roughly, if I talk about, though there cannot be any categorical population census of that, there are 16 personality traits on which we can basically segregate the individuals. Those are based on MBTI. It's a personality parameter through which we are judged. जिसके आधार पर Nilangshu, Auditro, Gaurav, Ritu, Shaini, you will be amazed how we can be judged on the basis of that. ठीक है? So first of all, let me ask you, have you all been able to do the SWOT analysis? That is, what are your strengths? What are your potential weaknesses? How you can utilize your strength into opportunity, and how your weaknesses can be translated into threat. Am I able to make you understand? Gaurav, Shrimoy, Anuprati.
Yes, sir.
For example, some of you were asking me, how do we do SWOT analysis? कैसे हम SWOT analysis करते हैं, right? This is a primary HR parameter, you can say, through which a person's categorical skills are being checked out in an HR interview. So normally in an interview of 15 minutes or an interview of 20 minutes, we do not come across how that person can. It's not just how you communicate, it's about what you communicate, your choice about the subject matter, it's about your articulation skill, that we will discuss. But let us talk about this MBTI. What is it? It's a kind of self-report instrument. This is non-judgmental. ठीक है? What do I mean by non-judgmental? You cannot say कि एक बंदा काफी ज्यादा बातचीत करता है, so he is a very good human being, and another person who doesn't speak a lot, he is bad human being. Let me ask you, all of you, Anupriti, Ritu, Shiny, uh, Richika, how many of you are introvert by nature? I mean, do not love to interact with the people whom you do not know. I mean, by nature.
Same
Feel
here.
free to communicate. Don't worry. I mean, don't worry if the class is getting recorded. So I will ask Siddhant if it's required. He will edit this part also. How many of you are introvert by nature? Means যখন যার সাথে কথা বলার ইচ্ছে নেই নতুন কোনো মানুষের সঙ্গে you don't communicate at all. You have a tendency that you feel that that person may not be safe for you. How many of you feel that way?
Same me.
So it's Shiny and okay, Ritu also. Fair enough. And what about the ones who say, let's explore that individual? I'm saying this very professionally, that let's explore this individual and let's check out whether this person, whether it's good or bad, I don't know. Let's see it out. How many of you believe that way? I mean, rather than writing in the chat, we can have discussions. Okay, fair enough. How many of you that way? I mean, let's explore that. Siddhant, Swamudeep, I'm sure you're of that personality. Gaurav,
Yes.
Gaurav, you are not extrovert by nature. You are a ambivert, I would say. Though there is no terminology called extrovert or ambivert, मतलब बीच में. Neither you're extrovert nor you're introvert, right? Prichika? Shaumadeep, you're extrovert by nature or introvert? Hello? Can you all hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, fair enough. So this is a professionally interpreted, way too short. Now, what is this history of MBTI? If we talk about history of MBTI, this is a based on Swiss psychologist. Behavior is individual and predictable. On the basis of that, we can understand, we can predict how a person's behavior, we can through which we can predict what type of person this can be. Okay. Obviously, in the first class, last Saturday only, we have discussed that behavior is something which is person to person. That cannot be changed, but that can be modified, that can be altered, and at certain point of time, we can also say that can be improvised. কিছু কিছু জিনিস कुछ कुछ चीजें obviously we can improvise and we can obviously improve at some point of time. So this is approximately 1 to 3 million people are administered. This is not a very common therapy in India, but in the Western countries, this therapy is calculated and we count through that way. And what are the things MBTI does not measure? It does not measure your IQ. It does not measure your psychiatric disturbances. By psychiatric disturbances, we talk about emotional stability, emotional feasibility, all these things we talk about, emotions. Okay? It does not influence that. Assumptions of type therapy, preferences are inborn. All these things are equally valuable. Let us come to this. Now, this is the 16 parameter. Chalo, I will show that slide once more, which is based on the 16 parameters which we talk about. That is extraversion. Just a moment. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. These are the preference scale, which you can see on my screen. EISITFJP. জিনিসটা বোঝাতে পারছি? EISITFJP means there are multiple permutations and combinations through which we examine and analyze what kind of personality this individual basically belongs to. Make sense, Gaurav? Shantini? So extraversion and introversion.
Sir, could you please repeat that part again?
Yes, Shrimoy, what I'm saying is that I am not saying that whether a person is extrovert or introvert. What I'm saying is a person is extraversion, means he projects his own self to the outside world. That is basically extraversion. Introversion जो अपने चीजों को, अपने थिंकिंग को, अपने एनालिसिस को अपने अंदर ही सीमित रखता है और he keeps it within himself. Those are the parameters which we call about as introversion. Sensing and intuition, thinking and feeling, judging and perception. Guys, don't worry, I will explain that in absolute details. But the very basic idea all of you have got. Now, out of the 16 parameter, I will explain. But before that, I want to ask, Antora, your type of judging or perception means you judge people spontaneously or you analyze people and then start judging. Can you tell me? Siddhant, Ritu. Yes, Antura. Communicate freely, Antura. No problem with the communication. Bolo. Antura, I cannot hear you. হ্যাঁ বলো অন্তর, ফিল ফ্রি। যে তুমি সাবলীল ভাবে লোককে আগে জাজ করে নাও নাকি আগে অ্যানালাইজ করো তারপরে জাজ করো? Whether you are sensing or intuition. So, okay, some of you are not able to understand through this. I will then go to the next slide and make you understand. These are the types I'm telling it. Extrovert, introvert, sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, judging and perceiving. Now test yourself. I will give you some quick 30 seconds on a piece of notebook. Write down, out of the first two, you can select only one. Out of the next two, you can select only one. Out of the next two, you can select only one, and so on and so forth. এখানে আটখানা কোয়ালিটি তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ। You can select like it was shown in the previous slide, like EISITFJP. You can select. Now meaning is explained how it is being explained in psychological parameter. So on the basis of that, you can select it. Before going deeper, we will have a psychological parameter exercise because obviously soft skill personality is a extrapolated part of HR. Like Auditro, Gaurav, Nilangshu, go with it. Go ahead with it. I think I can at least ask boys to switch on your videos initially if you don't have an issue. Siddhant, Samudeep, Gaurav is keeping it on whenever it's possible for him, Auditro and Nilangshu, so that we can have more communicative discussion. So let's give you 1 minute. So tell me, which কোন কোয়ালিটি তোমরা সিলেক্ট করবে out of this? Which quality you would basically select it? Go ahead. I will then ask and analyze. অন্তরা বুঝতে পারছো তো? হ্যালো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝতে পারছি।
ঋতু, শাইনি, শান্তনি,
Yes, sir.
ऋचिका सुनाई दे रहा है?
Sir,
Okay.
out of this 8, I have to choose only one.
No, out of the first two you can select one. Out of the next two you have to select one, like that. I mean, these are the
Okay.
things. These are the parameters. Okay. This is given for your understanding so that you can understand the meaning, because many of you were not able to understand the meaning. Shamadip, it's a good. Have you heard of MBTI ever? It's a
Yeah.
psychological.
Sir, I'm an MBA HR myself.
Acha. So these parameters, I'm sure you have read about. No, I'm not saying you are not an MBA.
Yeah. I've gone through this. It is basically taught in strategic HRM, as far as I remember.
Correct.
Yeah.
So just select it, then I will explain it, then we can have the different parameters understanding with it. So done, Nilangshu?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Nilangshu, which one have you opted for?
Sir, first I am extrovert, and second I choose thinking. I choose
Sensing.
sensing. sensing, and then I choose feeling, and then perceiving.
Okay, so as Nilangshu wrote and he answered, he has opted for ESTP, if I'm not mistaken. ESTP,
Yes, sir.
yes. Extrovert, sensing, thinking, and perceiving. Similarly, today's task will
Not
be
thinking, I think he wrote feeling.
fair enough. You can write in the chat window so that gets recorded, and we can understand. We can have a discussion, have a debate, have a kind of analysis on the basis of that. So yes, so done from everyone's point of view.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ritu, what have you opted for?
Yes, yes.
So from first two, I opted for introvert, then intuition, then thinking, and the last is judging.
So it's double ITJ, introvert, intuition, thinking, and judging. Can you
Yes, sir.
explain? Can you explain? Write in capitals, Nilangshu, write whatever you have written. Can you explain? Introvert, I can understand. The rest three, that is intuition, thinking, and P. Can you explain yourself? Why have you opted for I, T, and P? Or rather, I, F, and P. Sorry. Just try to explain, Bitu, in your simple language. No problem. Go ahead. Ritu, don't hesitate. যেটা মনে আসছে বলো. Why have you opted for intuition? Why for thinking? Why you have opted for perceiving? Hello.
So yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. You start communicating. Do not think what people will perceive.
Yes, sir.
Because
First
we are
of
not.
all, I opted for introvert. That means contemplative. Basically, generally, I notice myself that I get slightly hesitated to communicate with a person, with an unknown person.
But we are not unknown, Ritu. At least I am not unknown to you. You are still hesitating to communicate.
No,
Anyway.
sir. No, not that. Actually, I am actually what I am. That I'm trying to explain here.
Basically, introvert people are contemplative, means they think a lot and speak little. Extrovert people, they end up speaking and then they start thinking, isn't it? It happens. Okay. And sensing and intuition, which one you have opted for, Shayani, between sensing and intuition? Sensing and intuition. Sensing. Okay. What is the rationale behind that, or what is the logic behind that you have opted for sensing and intuition? See, the more you guys speak, the more it becomes interactive, and the more outcome of this session will be more productive rather than me speaking. So communicate. Don't assume whether it's right, wrong, good, ugly, bhul bhal, ja ichha, you start communicating. No problem. It could be combination of Bengali English, Hindi English, but at least start communicating. Yes, Richika, which one have you opted for? Quickly. Richika,
Yes,
which one have you opted for between judging and perceiving?
judging.
Judging means you people judge by the book by its cover, because
Yeah, definitely. I first judge the people.
okay, and you don't perceive, means you do not think about that people, you don't analyze that people. That's what you're saying. You only judge it, right?
Yeah, first I
Okay. And what about thinking and feeling? Between the dichotomy of thinking and feeling, which one have you opted for, Vichika?
feeling.
Can you explain it? Go ahead quickly.
Because I'm tender hurt.
Don't give a one line answer, analyze it. You are tender hearted, so
This is my weakness, I feel.
so you are not able to take tough decisions in life, in
Yeah,
professional life,
I'm
and
not able to
in
take that
emotional lives as well.
Yes.
Okay, Siddhant, which one have you opted for, and what is the logic behind that? Please go ahead, Siddhant, explain between thinking and feeling.
Sir, thinking.
Siddhant, are you under the weather?
No, sir.
Okay, then please explain why thinking, why not feeling.
Uh, Feeling nowadays, I can say, but previously it was pure thinking because I like hardcore why and how things happen, that critical analysis. I was more a sort of that kind of person. So I used
Because
to.
your voice is coming very slow and it seems that you are speaking very, very timidly. Try to speak more aggressively, and that's what.
Okay, okay.
That makes.
Previously, I was more of a critic kind of person. So, if there was anything wrong or if there was a scope of improvement, then I used to just blabber that out without thinking what the other person would judge of me. Or suppose I met your friend in a party, and he overpays for something, then I will directly tell him that, bro, this could have you could have easily got it for much cheaper from here. I wouldn't think
Okay.
how he would take it in a positive way,
Okay.
negative way.
But if you see the slide, it says that it can be tough minded. They strive for an objective standard of truth, right?
Hmm.
Rather than that, as Richika was trying to say, that feelings people are more tender hearted, they strive for harmony and positive interaction. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इस चीज को हम लोग मान लेते हैं कि जो भी आप सिलेक्ट करते हो वी कैन नॉट से नो साइकोलॉजिस्ट कैन से इनफैक्ट ऑन अर्थ that this is good, this is not right, or this is wrong, or this is right. So there is no chalk and cheese in this. Fine. One can be thinking, another person can be feeling. People who are more emotional, they go by the feeling, right? They want that everyone should be treated equally, or guided by personal values. They are based on the decisions impact of the people, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so Shantini, Shomudi, what have you opted for thinking and feeling, and your rationale behind that? First, I would love to know your individual choices which you have opted for. Okay, because this is something, for this you don't need any education, you don't need any data, you don't need any statistics, still you can debate on it. It's just that we are trying to speak, right? Oritro and Antara haven't spoken yet, so till now Shantini hasn't also spoken much. Come up with your ideas. Please do not worry about the grammar, please do not worry about the vocabs. Okay, so Shomudi, what
Sir, I
have
have
you?
a question.
Yes, yes, Shantini.
Sir, in that part, the thinking and the feeling, sometimes uh, analyze or judge myself as a 50-50 condition. Sometimes it's a thinking and sometimes it's a feeling. So which category I am in, thinking or the feeling? Actually, all the points from the
Yes, sir.
thinking
Same
section
here.
and the feeling section.
Exactly, sir. I am feeling that I am a bipolar.
Many a times on most of the occasions we end up believing that it's a bipolar, but if you have to select one out of the other, for example, let's say you're given two choices. Let's say post lockdown, you are watching a movie, number one. Number two, you want to go to a restaurant. You cannot do two things simultaneously. Of course, you want go to a restaurant, watch a movie there in a cell phone or in a tab. That's not I'm saying. You're watching a movie at home and you want to go to a restaurant with your friend. So you have to select one out of the two. We end up selecting one, right? We don't select neither of them as a hota nahi. So on that case, which could be the one? Many a times it is 50-50, but 60-40, 70-30. What is this? Shomudip? See, whatever we studied in theoretical classes, forget that. Let's see it as an exercise. Shomudip. Okay. And between thinking and feeling, which one would you opt for? Richika said that she has opted for feeling because she is tender hearted. Shomudip?
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I go for. I would go with feelings, sir.
Feeling, more emotional part.
Emotional part, because I do believe that we being human beings, every individual is different. That is from what my perspective, from my point of view, what I consider that end of the day we're dealing with animals of emotion, not logic. So thinking, like there's a point mentioned in the slide itself, that the last point, fair, want everyone treated equally. So
Yes.
that can be that will go well with machine or products or commodities, but not with human beings. Every time you're interacting, so you will have to take the feeling part into consideration. That will be the shield. And like some other person said that both 50% thinking, 50% feeling. That is also very logical way to play this. I personally do it in that manner itself, like what she said. But preferably, I will go with feeling.
Yes, it's an objective analysis, but is there anyone who has opted for thinking? They don't go by feelings, it's only thinking, thinking, and thinking. Ritu, Anubrati.
I selected.
Sir, you asked to choose one.
Couldn't hear Anubrati.
You asked to choose one.
I
of
can
the two.
select.
I
You
have
have to choose
selected
only
thinking.
one. That is the point. I mean, it's a tough decision. It's easy to choose both, right? Some people are extrovert. They remain silent when
It
they
depends
don't.
from situation to situation. Initially, like if you ask me, I will go with feeling, but still it's a very tough question to answer. I will go. Depends on situation to
Of
situation.
course, it depends on situation to
Yeah,
situation.
that is the answer.
20% feeling, I will say, and 80%.
No, 100%. If you have to select one, which one would you select, Anubrati, and why? And Gaurav also, I will come back to you.
Thinking.
Thinking. Okay. Anubrati,
I will select thinking. If you
analyze, explain.
See, if you first approach someone or
Hmm.
you know someone, I believe when you're taking a decision, there should be logic. Feelings is
Yes.
coming when I know someone, and even if I
Anubrati,
don't
I
know
will
someone,
interrupt you. You are speaking well, but it seems that you are speaking very, very comfortably. And a person, what happens in an interview, if he is of from restless mentality and he wants to wrap up the interview fast, he will ask you to speak in a more loud manner, in a more active manner, in a much quicker manner, I would say. So speak a bit loud.
so speak louder.
Hmm. If
Okay,
it's possible,
so
speak a
I'm
bit loud.
selecting thinking because I believe when you are taking a decision, it should be logical enough. If you are going and flowing with the feelings, then it can be wrong. At first, at least, you should be taking thinking as a option. But it is obviously bipolar for me. But everything, I don't think that I will go for thinking. But if you want to choose me one and 100%, then I will prefer for thinking, obviously.
Okay. There are 12, 13 students in this class. So we are selecting one against other. I will give you a quick 60 seconds or quick 90 seconds to analyze why you have selected that. And in that, everyone needs to speak. Everyone. Vichika, Antura. Antura, I'm telling it, you speak out. No problem. If it's clumsy also, no problem. Acha, judging and perceiving. Now, there are certain data and statistics given. What does judging basically might mean and what does perceiving might mean? So I'm giving you 90 seconds time and then select out which personality trait you may end up selecting among the J and P dichotomy and why it is so. Richika, you will explain after selecting why it is so. Just read it out and then নীলাংশু কোনটা সিলেক্ট করবে এবং কেন? While you are
Sir, I
speaking,
choose.
Nilangshu, you can switch on the video if you're comfortable. Yes, go ahead. Yes, Nilangshu, go ahead.
Sir, I choose perceiving because as a open-minded person, I am free to communicate with other, and I love to make friends. So in that case, if I am something like very judgy people, and people are. Um, uh, People are considering judgy people as a bad manner. So I think that if I am a judging type,
So if you're judgmental,
if I am judgmental, so people consider me as a not a good guy. And it's not that I like to be here from the people. So in the case of I am perceiving the situation or perceiving a person, perceiving something. So in that case, I am At first I am comfortable with the person or comfortable with the matter, and then I analyze the matter or analyze the people, and then I like to judge them, and I like to communicate them, and make them free to communicate with me, and not like a judgy one, matlab judgmental one that makes that someone say that you are
So you're
not
saying,
that
Nilangshu,
person.
that unless you're comfortable with people, you don't start analyzing people, because you have a notion that people who judge others, they are not projected in a nice manner. That is the
Yes,
bottom
sir.
line of you being selecting the P part, that is perceiving, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
In sir,
Richika, which yes, Gaurav, you want to go
but
ahead?
in sir, a job or in working profile, we have to be judging. Like we have to plan our end task, and we have to schedule and plan all the things accordingly. So we have to be goal oriented, not to be like resisting the closure in order to obtain more data. So we shouldn't act like this. So we have to be judging in this nature. So I think it is goes with me.
Let me make
Sir,
it clear.
I would, sir, I would
Yes,
like to interrupt
please.
सर
ma'am.
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट इन बिटवीन, मुझे एक चीज समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि यहाँ पे जजिंग और परसीविंग का क्या बेनिफिट्स बोलने हैं कि आप
नहीं,
क्या हो
बेनिफिट्स नहीं बोलना है, आपका जो पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट है, इफ इट इज जजिंग
वही।
व्हाई यू हैव
हाँ,
सिलेक्टेड, एंड इफ इट
तो
इज
फिर
परसीविंग व्हाई।
मुझे तो ऐसा समझ में आ रहा है कि यहाँ पे बेनिफिट्स बोला जा रहा है कि
नहीं, ये फीचर्स को बोला जा रहा है, ये
हाँ, फीचर्स
कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स
को
बोला जा
बोला जा रहा है कि आप ऐसा हो तो ये ऐसा है, अगर आप वैसा हो तो वैसा है। वो तो नहीं
रहा है।
करना है ना, मतलब
हाँ,
आप
ऐसा
कैसे
हो
हो
तो
ये
वैसा
बोलो।
है, वैसा हो तो वैसा है, बात सही है आपका। मतलब इफ यू आर सिलेक्टिंग जजिंग, व्हाई हैव यू सिलेक्टेड, इफ यू आर परसीविंग, इफ यू आर
नहीं, आई एम
परसीविंग
ट्राइंग
बाय
टू
दिस।
से कि आप एक्चुअली वैसे हो कि नहीं।
हाँ, आप एक्चुअली ऐसा हो कि नहीं, वही बोला जा रहा है। और क्यों ऐसा हो, या फिर व्हाई यू आर सिलेक्टिंग दैट आल्सो, दैट कुड बी आल्सो व्हाई यू आर दैट, नो वन कैन क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, बिकॉज यू आर दैट बिकॉज ऑफ वेरियस फैक्टर्स, because of upbringing, because of education, because of whatever we have learned. That is not we are questioning. We are saying that if you are asked to select one personality trait, why it is so, and why you are going with that, which I think Nilangshu explained, like perceiving, judging. आपका कौन सा है? You can communicate.
जजिंग, डेफिनेटली जजिंग।
Definitely judging. Can you explain that, Ruchika? You can
Yes,
mix,
because I
intermix
judge
Hindi and
people.
English. It is not
If
only
you have done
judging people.
something,
देखो
yes sir,
features, अब features
I'm
को
very
ध्यान से।
controlling also. I want everything according to my terms and condition, and sorry.
Okay, so you want people to be according to your terms and conditions, or situations to be according to your terms and conditions? Hello? You want
I'm
situations to
very
be under term?
controlling, sir. I know I'm very controlling.
Sir, I think
Sir, in the case of judging, it is very quick to judge anyone, and the case of perceiving, we take time to for analyze the person or to judge the person. It takes time, so it may be the right thing to the person who is judge or perceiving I mean one who judge a person or one who perceive a person. So
okay. Fair
so
enough.
I think we have to select the option according to the means features of this.
Features are mentioned for your advantage. You can also use your own wisdom. Features are being given so that certain things, if I only tell you whether you select judging or perceiving, we would not be able to understand. We would get confused. That is why I have provide features so that you can get some clue.
Sir, I think judging people is different from this one, because here it is mentioned how to work professionally, efficiently, like focusing, the completing task, organizing, scheduling. So these are the main basic criteria, basic features which is followed in
But
every
even perceiving people are
organization.
curious and interested. They're open-minded. They're open to the question. They look forward to new thoughts, new ideas at some point of time. Somadip, your quick comments on it. Somadip, then Siddhant. Then we'll come back to Antara. Antara, তোমাকে মুখ খুলতেই হবে, ঠিক আছে? So you have to speak out. No problem, Antara. বাংলাতেও বলতে পারো. Somadip, your quick comments.
But sir,
Sir,
if you're
I have a
professional,
question, sir.
Acha, 1 second, Srimayee. Yes, Richika, tell me.
if you're professional, if you're working in an organization, I think judging का जो features है वो ज़्यादा
This is from the personality's perspective, also from organization's perspective. Prichika. Yes, Shrivu.
Yeah.
One second. Yes, Shrivu, quickly.
Sir, I was telling
Shrivu,
that
you have a
as
question.
Nilanshu. Hello.
Continue,
Hello?
Shrivu. Continue. We can hear you. Yes,
Yes,
Shrivu, we
sir.
can hear you.
Sir, I have a question that as Nilanshu said that he believes that people who are judgmental, they have a bad impact on the society or something like that. That itself is judging someone, right? So it's like,
Yeah,
It's a
right.
notion. It's a notion that people who are judgmental, it's his notion, and we respect his notion, of course. So that is what.
I feel that that itself is judging. So it's like he's just scared of getting that paint in him or something like that. That's why he's choosing perceiving.
Okay. Okay. Shomodev, your quick comments on it.
Yeah, perceiving. I will go with perceiving. The reason behind, like you said in the very inception of the class, that don't go judge the book by its cover. So that is the reason. But likely the lady right now said that sometimes it's true that being judgmental sometimes is beneficial for you, sometimes it is not. But I prefer going with perceiving because someone recently said that if you are working in a company or something like that, I just heard the point. So it's my personal opinion. Maybe you may differ from me, but if you're working in any kind of organization, you will have to be perceiving. Otherwise, what will happen? Judgmental is something how I consider it to be. If you ask me, like if sir, I'm telling this to you, that if you are judgmental, then to some extent you make some like just looking at the person, I have some impression. So, for example, if I consider it in this manner that the person is introvert, so he is some kind of badass or something like that. But no, actually, introvert people are very good thinkers, which we like extroverts are not. Introvert people, just because they don't interact with people, don't get into the crowd much, some new thoughts come in their mind very quickly. So it's not, I personally believe it's not good to be judgmental. I will to some extent go with Nilanshu itself because you should have an open mind. Perceiving every day is different, everything is different, and even about one single person, you should have different thoughts. Like today, I may not like that person, personality, his body language, what he is speaking, but next day I will have start afresh. So I will not be judgmental and definitely be perceiving, and I will go with that option.
Okay. Anyone wants to say something on this part? Anubrati, Ritu,
Sir,
Shayoni. Yes, Anubrati. Quick comments.
sir,
Yes.
what I was trying to say that if I choose perceiving mentality for an organization or a corporate sector even, I mean nowadays corporate sector thoughts are changing a lot. You can judge a employee coming to you very well dressed, speaking very well, communications are very good. You just quickly judge like this person is very good for marketing sector and all. Maybe he's not. He's very good in R&D. So you're putting a person coercively towards the sector which is not good for him. So actually you will end up with loss making decisions like that. So even corporate sector, they are going for analyzing first, little bit time to understand the person first. Just to judge by their attitude, how they speak.
That is the reason you
That's
should be
little
perceiving.
bit. I'm just saying that if I analyze little bit, perceiving, you're quickly judging a person by dressed well, communication, well, speak English.
No,
well.
मुझे
I'm not
अभी
talking
भी
that point.
I mean, I'm
Yes.
just
मैं बोलूँ
setting
One
सर
second.
goals.
One at a time. Yes. We
मुझे
can
अभी भी
disagree.
समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि यहाँ पे आपको बताना है कि आप क्या हो, कि आपको बताना है कि इसका क्या बेनिफिट्स है अगर आप परसीविंग हो या फिर आप जजिंग हो।
नहीं,
मुझे अभी भी ये क्लियर नहीं है क्योंकि अभी जो भी कन्वर्सेशन हो रहा है उसके हिसाब से तो लोग यही बोल रहे हैं कि ये अगर आप परसीविंग हो तो ये सारे अच्छाई है या ये सारे बेनिफिट है, और अगर आप जजिंग हो तो ये सारा
नहीं,
डिमेरिट।
इसमें हम बेसिकली ये बता रहे हैं कि हम कौन सी कंसेप्ट में बिलीव करते हैं। और मान लीजिए कि मैं अगर किसी से इंटरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ तो उनके साथ मैं किस एटीट्यूड या मतलब किस थॉट के साथ इंटरेक्ट करूंगा, तो उस हिसाब से हम उस पर्सपेक्टिव से हम बात कर रहे हैं। मैं तो वही बोल, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग।
इसमें दो दृष्टिकोण हो सकता है। एक, आप क्या हो या फिर आप क्या बनना चाहते हो। अगर आप बनना चाहते हो, क्यों बनना चाहते हो। देखो, मैंने शुरुआत में ही कहा था, इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेशन ओनली आई टोल्ड यू Personality is something you cannot say if this is right. If this part is right, another part will be wrong. We cannot say. It's like a glass which is half filled and half empty. You
हाँ,
can say
अगर मैं
glass.
बनना चाहती हूँ तो डेफिनेटली मैं परसिविंग बनना चाहती हूँ, पर जनरली
हाँ,
तो वो होता नहीं है ना, हर
नहीं
हर
बनना चाहते हैं या फिर आप हो. And if you are that, why you will opt that? That is what something we are discussing on. And of course, when we discuss about something, the features and advantages and disadvantages will come. That is something which is open to the discussion. That is what people are discussing. And of course, these features are kept not as a standing instruction, but as a guideline so that we can understand rather.
Sir, I want to add on something that in our preparation for the examination or all these things, we focus on the final thing, final task, or means we will get a job or we will get some better universities like that. So we are focusing on the final thing, not we are focusing on the starting thing, like where we will start the coaching or like these things. So and without organizing or scheduling, we cannot do anything. Like we will just
See,
go
Gaurav, but
here and there.
that is
So
what I have written in the chat window: action oriented versus result oriented.
yes,
So judging people are more goal oriented and perceiving people may be more action oriented if you put by that fact, right? So they are open to discussion, they are open to understanding many things. It's not only judging means only judging. Judging में कुछ अच्छाइयाँ भी है, perceiving maybe there are some positivities. So Richika, did I make you understand what we are saying? So they want to find out about everything. They want to go into details. And judging people are more goal oriented. They are more profit oriented rather than action oriented. So depends. So that is what I think we have selected.
essentials means sir here is the priority of the job, means which is a high priority and which is low priority, like that. We have to segregate all these things.
Most of the time, these personalities are bipolar, like some of you suggested. But then, if you select one, which one we would go? Like this is the case.
No, sir, I'm saying that essentials, that means priority or anything like that.
Right. Means you are saying prioritizing something. Right.
Yes.
Okay. Judging people, they focus only on the who's who, or they are more interested about finding out the result, or they are more interested in finding out the specific thing, the most advantageous thing. And perceiving people सारे चीजों को विस्तार से देखते, they see in details, right? One thing we missed out, that is sensing and intuition. Antara, তুমি বলো তোমার কোনটা select you have opted for? Antara, Ritu, Shantini hasn't also spoken much. Shantini, feel free to speak. It's more about speaking rather than hearing it out. So sensing and intuition. Intuition goes by our instincts. Siddhant, repeat, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Doing well? Today you're not communicating at all.
No.
So he is having some problem with.
Yes, I think he's having some health issues also.
Post-COVID recovery. Even I also had it, so I know.
So Siddhant, do take care of your health. Are you fine today?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm fine.
No, it's natural to be unwell during this time. So it's okay. I mean, if you're not feeling well, just listen to the conversation. Whenever you feel like you can add on something. Siddhant, I hope you're doing well.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm going with the intuitions. Actually, I'm on my category or my characteristics goes with the intuitions.
Okay, explanation of that, Shantini.
The most important innovation, seeing possibilities, future achievement, and look at the big picture.
So you look at the larger picture, the bigger picture,
yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You prefer adding
not only on the its instant picture. Actually, I think it's for the future and what will happen if I take that action or not. This so I think for the further, and then I think it's a look at a big picture.
Sensing people are a little bit happy-go-lucky. They live life as it is. जैसा चल रहा है वैसा चलते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, right? I mean, जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है, जो होगा अच्छा होगा, जो हुआ था अच्छा ही हुआ था. By the quotation in the Bhagavad Gita. So I'm not saying good, bad, ugly. Live life as it is. Intuitive people prefers adding new skill. They identify complex pattern. They are more innovative, seeing patterns and meetings. Acha, these are the people who are acha. Okay, fair enough. Ritu, which one would you opt for and why? Sensing and intuition. Instinctive. I mean,
Sir, I opted for intuition, but between these two, I suddenly become bipolar.
it's easy to be bipolar, but which one would you opt for? I mean,
They're very difficult to choose.
I am on
between,
intuition sensing also. I don't go with instinction,
Sir,
which means
between
negativity.
these two, I have to choose, according to me, I think intuition.
Acha. So do not assume and presume that intuitive people are good and sensing people are not good. They rely on experience than the actual data. They think that whatever has happened in the past may happen again. So they are more touched with physical realities that the five senses. They are more concentrating on the present rather than experiencing or expecting what may happen in the future. So they are more present centric rather than future centric, we can say. So Ritika, which one would you select and why? This time you have to answer. I think आपको पता चल गया अभी अंतरा শুনতে পাচ্ছ তুমি?
Intuition.
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
কোনটা অপ্ট করেছো এবং কেন?
সেন্সিংটা চুজ করছি।
And কেন? Reason behind it.
এখানে বলা হয়েছে যে পারসিভিং উইথ
অন্তরা,
ফাইভ
try to be bilingual at least. আধা ইংলিশে বলো, no problem. Let it be incorrect.
The reason behind it is I will go for perceiving with the five senses and reliance on experience and actual data.
Okay. So you are not more data person, you are more of a person who goes by the feelings. So it is said that feeling people are more sensing in nature. So Ritika, since you opted for feeling, I'm sure you are opting for sensing also here.
No,
They go by the present circumstances rather than what is going to happen in the future. Shimoy, Shayoni, Oritro.
Sir, I would choose for intuition, 100% intuition, because for me, I am a very, I mean, I am a very manipulative kind of person.
You are a very
And-
manipulative kind of a person. Okay.
Manipulative.
Are you saying manipulative? Did I hear something wrong?
Very interesting. Let's hear you out.
Basically, when I'm intuiting something or something like that, I'm seeing the bigger picture. Like I get a lot of complexes, anxieties, and then I'm like this is a boring life. I need to see other possibilities, and then I'm like I'm manipulating my friends. I'm brainwashing them, and I'm doing everything.
I think you should be using the terminology maneuvering. Maneuvering means seeing the option and opening with the options rather than manipulating. Manipulative is a bit negative word, but it's okay. I hope you're not finding the class boring, touch wood. So you're trying to see what it is and then you change it out. So you're a person who changes everything suddenly, abruptly, and goes with the newer pattern, and then kind of that personality you belong to. That's what you're saying, Shrimu, right?
Like if I need to make someone understand or believe in something that
Okay.
I may not believe also. I don't believe in that concept, but it's in my job profile that I need to make that person believe in this particular thing. I can do
Okay.
that very well.
And you can go to any extent to do that.
Yes, I can do that.
You should be in marketing, isn't it, Shomadip? I mean, so you and
Undoubtedly.
okay.
Best fit.
Oritro, your comments on it. Quick comments, Oritro. B2.
Sir, I will go for intuition for myself because, sir, I'm more of a futuristic person. I like to know what are the outcomes of what I am doing. So I will go for intuition. And to the point,
Is there? Yes, Oritro, continue.
sir, to the point what which Srimoy said that she's to some extent maneuvering, and she is, because I know her very well. So
Okay. Anyway, maneuvering skill, negotiation skills are always good and it comes handy. So it's a very good skill. So no one is going with sensing in this class. Ritika, you went with sensing, I guess.
No, I'll go for sensing.
Okay, how many of you are going for sensing? And just
Sir, I
rebut
am
the
going.
point.
I am going for sensing.
Acha, just analyze and tell me why the people who have selected for intuition may be on the wronger side. So I think Richika, Anubrati, Nilangshu have selected for sensing. So why have you opted for sensing, and why you believe sensing people are more they have a better
No,
chance of
actually,
Sensing people
I am not.
more positive one. No, that other people that think a lot about future or think a lot about themselves, and the more they think about themselves, or the more they think about the future, they maybe very matlab, they are more tense than us who are a little bit sensing type
Achha, you're
person or
saying
positive
intuitive
type
people
person.
are very much tense. They cannot settle on the present circumstances, and they are very much anxious. What is going to
And
happen with the future?
and sometimes they are depending on the sensing person, matlab, as
So you are saying
to
an
give some
intuitive. So you're
positive.
saying an
Basically,
intuitive
I
girl.
depend on him. That's why he's telling that.
So you're saying an intuitive girl should marry a sensing boy and vice versa. Anyway, okay, I'm not going into that. Fair enough.
We're
Siddharth,
not going any further.
Siddharth, your
Okay.
quick comments on it.
Yeah.
Intuitive sensing.
Let's just end in that manner itself.
Sir, it should be a blend of both if you see in the right context. For example, if I'm traveling to Darjeeling, suppose, and I'm focused only on taking pictures via my camera. So I'm being intuitive so that I can save it for future. I can plan my next travel better. I can use references better. But I'm failing to enjoy the present moment. That
Correct.
sensing, that actual feeling, that actual joy of that place.
See, you are being very, very practical and certain to some extent. It's a diplomatic answer, which is correct. See, if you're bipolar, it's the best. But at any point of time, very few people are bipolar in nature. Maximum people are unipolar. We end up selecting one. So there is no person who is totally sensing here. I mean, most of the times we pay attention to details. You know what is paying attention to details? These people are called fastidious by nature. दे टेक टाइम टू लर्न, बट जब वो सीख जाते काफी अच्छी तरह सीख जाते, हर एक चीजों को काफी बारीकी से देखते हैं. सो इन दिस क्लास देर इज नो वन हु इज सेंसिंग. Oh, Anubrati selected sensing, Nilangshu selected Richika sensing. And why it is so, you did not analyze.
Sir, intuition, sir.
So you changed your personality based on
No,
what others
sir.
do.
Sir, I think it depends
I
on the
think more.
situation. Sometimes we can be sensing, and sometimes we can be intuitive.
Okay, so I believe all of you have selected out of the 16 traits. This was easier said than done, extroversion and introversion. So see, understand the features. अगर हम features को देखते, it's not about extrovert who speaks a lot and introvert who doesn't speak at all. So now you select out on the basis of these features, on the basis of these outcomes. My audience, you tell me which could be the one. Shantanu, Antura.
So your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. Now am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
please repeat that.
I'm saying that on the basis of the features which is being provided, which one would you opt for, extroversion and introversion? If we for a second segregate what you know, जिस चीज को आप जानते हो उसको अगर हटा देते हो, on the basis of that, which one would you opt for, extroversion or introversion? Why it is so? Just take.
Sir, I am going for extroversion.
Just because Shantanu, you love to speak. That is why extroversion. Go by the features.
I move to extroversion.
Okay. Analysis of the same, Shantanu.
Attention focused outdraw. People thinks action. Relaxed and confident. I don't know. I think sometimes I lack of the confidence. And seeks variety and action. Wants to be with others.
Okay, so you are not a loner. You are a social person.
Yes,
Achha.
absolutely.
The last point is very interesting. Leave it, then understand it. So those who are judging, they are more introversion. They first understand, लोगों को देखते हैं, सीखते हैं, analyze करते हैं, उसके बाद लोगों के साथ जाते हैं या फिर situations के साथ जाते हैं या organization के साथ जाते हैं. तीन चीजों की अगर बात
Sir, I
करें.
have a question about it.
Yes, Anubhuti.
I mean, why it is like that? That you were saying that introvert people are judging. I mean, they
Most of the
understand
time,
first and then they leave it. But if I choose introvert and perceiving, if I say that that person is analyzing in a deeper way, not quickly judging that person, and then go for them. What
So
is
they
the
it
wrong
can
with
can.
that?
think and act and think before thinking and after then acting. So it comes under the extraversion, and before think and after act, it's come under the introversion part.
एक्सट्रोवर्शन इज लाइक चलो कर लेते हैं, जो होगा देखा जाएगा। जिंदगी से हमें वैसे भी बाहर मौत से ही आएंगे, वैसे तो कोई भी जिंदा हमेशा रहता नहीं। इंट्रोवर्शन मोर
Exactly,
पीपल,
sir. I
इंट्रोवर्शन
am a
पीपल आर मोर,
risk taker
Likes are
like
wearing
that.
no mask in this pandemic and
no,
going
that is
outside.
careless, that is reckless, that is mindless, and that is senseless. So there could be
Gaurav का
multiple
example
definitions.
अच्छा था।
That is careless, reckless, senseless, mindless.
Going on the brigade.
Walking towards your grave.
And introversion is you analyze, 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 and simultaneously leave also. I'm not saying introvert people are bad. I might be more focused on extrovert because I've been extrovert since childhood probably. But introvert people are more pragmatic. They are more practical sometimes also. ठीक है? Wants time to be alone, so it's a loner. कुछ कुछ चीजों में अनुभूति introvert and judging थोड़ा थोड़ा match करता है. I mean, you can say introverts are not always judging; they can be perceiving also. They can
I'm
be.
introvert, sir.
No, sir. If you said that
Introverts are excellent
kind
inventors,
of
to be
thing.
very honest. Introverts are excellent inventors. If you look back in history, most of the inventors you see, they were all introverts. Might be elevate name. Anyway, I'm not taking names.
Sir,
Yes,
you
Anubhrati, you were saying something.
a point that introvert, like extroverts are like that. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Let's take a step. If I just explain an introvert like this, so I'm taking a solo trip somewhere. I'm going alone with myself. I'm going for a mountain trip. Okay. So I'm also taking the same feeling, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. I'm not dealing with people. That doesn't mean I don't have this kind of status. I don't have this kind of mentality that I will think, analyze, and then take a step. I don't believe this is the right thing. This
That
is
was a
little bit
general notion.
judgmental, I
Anubhrati, that
believe.
was a general notion, not pointed at anyone. That was a general notion. It's good you are analyzing and explaining yourself. But introvert people are actually probing inward for stimulation. As Shomudeep also said, introvert people are inventors and they are more good for the society most of the times because they are the ones who generate, who are the part of think tank or strategic thinkers. But
Version or extroversion. I mean, people can behave differently when they are going for professional life. Maybe they just don't want to open up themselves, their personal life. They are just very good in professional life, very good communicator, very
So
good understanding of people,
taking
very good
a
analyzing.
risk
I think
जो होगा
I think French people are the most introvert persons because they never share their personal details in any of them during their
But
work
they are
or
the best people
Cross
even
name
in
is
the
taken.
world.
yes.
and so Shrimoy, that idea I don't think is absolutely correct that the extrovert people only earn money. In fact, depends on the profession. If you are into a
No,
marketing
I'm
domain,
not talking about just money. If I'm talking about marketing or business, that anything like that, then it's all
hey,
depend.
Shima, your
It's
voice is
the risk
breaking. You are
like
saying that, yeah,
that's
it
why
depends
I'm
on the
telling
profession.
extroverts.
Okay, fair enough. The last quick comments, Richika, which one have you opted for and why? Then I will go to the analysis part. Richika, if you can still hear us.
Which one, sir? Introvert,
Which
sir.
one have you opted for? Extrovert and introvert, which one have you opted for and why?
Introvert.
Introvert. So you don't love to, you love to be alone and
Because I
you
don't talk to many people. And I first think, then I act. And second, I want
so
time to
can
be
we say that
alone.
you only think and don't act, or first think and then
No,
act?
sir, it's not that. Say I'm working in a school. सो मैं स्कूल में हूँ लेकिन मैं फिर भी हर किसी से इतना बात नहीं करती हूँ, चुप रहती हूँ। मतलब सामने वाला पर्सन अगर बहुत कुछ बोल रहा है तो मैं सोच समझ के 2 आंसर देती हूँ बस। I don't talk to many people. I'm
Okay,
very
fair enough.
reserved.
So this is
And you are questioning
okay,
also.
fair enough. Okay, fair enough. I'm not saying what is good, what is bad. This is just your representation, and absolutely okay, which we respect. Acha. Now, as you can see it on my screen, I will zoom it a bit more so that you can see it properly. Some of the parts of the same, yes. So these are the 16 personality traits which has been segregated into multiple traits. If it's visible, the ISTJ. How many of you have selected this one? First one, ISTJ. Anyone has opted for ISTJ in this class? All of you can write it down in the chat window. None of you has written yet. Like, which one have you selected for?
Sir, I
E
have
versus.
selected ISTJ.
All of you, please write in the chat window. See, we can then discover ourselves also. Where do we stand in terms of personality trait? ISTJ doing what should be done. Achha, anyone has opted for ISFJ? That is introvert, sensing, feeling, and judging.
Only go around once in life. And give life extra squeeze. One exciting challenge after another.
Shomodip, your voice is breaking. ISFJ is a high sense of beauty. Okay, none of you has opted for. Nilangshu has written the answer. Everyone also writes. Vichika, Anubrati, Antora. Vichika has written Antora. Bakira Lekho. ठीक है. INFJ. Okay, I will discuss.
Sir.
Yes, Shantini.
স্যার আপনি আরেকবার ফার্স্ট পেজটা একবার ইয়ে করবেন যেখানে মানে 8টা যে পার্সোনালিটি ছিল।
These are the ones. Either you will select E or I, S or I, T or F, J or P. There are no chances of being bipolar. Either of them you can only select E or I, S or I, T or F, J or P. Extro, intro, sensing, intuition. Intuition is your gut feeling. T or F, J or P. I think by mistake he was unmuted. Okay. So I got few answers. Richika, you have selected INFJ. So you are an inspiration to others. That's what the study says. Good. Fair enough. Okay. Others. Has anyone selected for JSTP? Ready to try anything once? I mean, karke dekhte hai, that may be bad habit.
I think Siddhant has
Siddhant, that is ISTP.
That is, yes, it's ISTP. No, yes, you are correct. That is only ISTP. I read it incorrect. So you are ready to try anything once, which may be good, which may be bad, which may be ugly, which may be dangerous, which may be awesome. So it's good. Anyway, Anubrati also ISTP. आप तो ऐसी लगती नहीं हो that you are ready to try. You are अच्छा, very good. Okay. Anubrati.
Yes, sir.
आपका यही आया. So are you
I don't know.
with the answer, or is the answer saying incorrect?
Maybe.
Acha. Maybe. Okay. You are not too sure about that. Okay. Anyone has opted for ISFP? No. INFP, introvert, intuition. N stands for intuition. Okay. F is feeling and P for perceiving.
So second alphabet, what is this?
Second alphabet is intuition. N. Intuition. Acha. Shayantini is ENTP. So there is one exciting challenge after another. So you are a person who loves to explore. In fact, ISTP and ENTP are quite similar to each other. Auditro ENFP, giving life an extra squeeze. I don't know what does it mean actually. I mean, giving life an extra squeeze might also means giving more, taking life as a challenge. Okay, INFJ. Ritu, I didn't get your answer yet. কোনটা সিলেক্ট করেছো? আচ্ছা, INFJ. আচ্ছা, don't select INFJ just because it's an inspiration for others. So see, everything is good here out of 16.
Sir, I selected INTJ.
INTJ.
Sir, it is me too, sir.
There's nothing called INTJ.
INTJ.
Everything has room for improvement. Great. Means you believe that you can improve in life at some point of time. So that is why you're thinking, you're judging, you're intuitive, and you're introvert. Acha. How many extroverts got in this class? Shomodeep, I'm sure, is an extrovert. Siddhant, you an extrovert?
Sir, mix of extrovert and introvert.
Introvert. So can I say you were extrovert? Now you have become more of an introvert?
No, no, no. Previously, I was highly introvert. Now I'm
Acha.
a mix.
Okay. Okay.
So sir ने ESTJ choose किया है, Life's Administrators.
किसने select किया है ESFJ?
Somadeep sir ने.
ESFJ, host and hostess of the world.
TJ sir, TJ.
Yes, ENTJ. ESTJ, okay, life's administrator. So Somadeep, you want to opt for an administrative job, so maybe that instinctive is there itself. So one debate which I will end with, thinking is much better or judging, thinking and perceiving. If I have to select between thinking and perceiving, which one is better in life? Before we end up, Antura, your final comments. Between thinking and perceiving, which one would you select and why?
Thinking.
Why? আমি তোমাকে দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি to show that so that you can thinking versus feeling. Sorry, thinking versus feeling. Which one would you go with? Why? Final comments.
Thinking.
Antura, why?
Uh,
Rational. Okay, we'll come back. Anuprati, thinking and feeling.
Thinking.
Why?
Because I believe when you are just approaching someone first, or you know someone, when you're taking a decision, at least you should be logical enough.
Acha, forget
Don't
about
flow
you
with the
taking a
feelings.
decision about being logical. Let's say you know a person or know an individual or know about an organization for a long period of time. Then what would you go with? Thinking or feeling?
For a long period of time, and if there is a serious problem, and if I'm going with the logic, then I believe there is no problem. Even if it should go for feeling for a long period of time, know someone. It is a bipolar thing, but if you prefer me to choose, I'll choose go for thinking, obviously.
Okay. Can we say people who have a lot of feelings, they are more empathic and they do good for the others? This is my comment, and you agree or disagree?
Yes.
Those who are feeling by nature, they do good for the society more at large rather than thinking people. Your comments on it first, Siddhant.
Yes, sir. They are highly empathic, but they face the most amount of distress and ignorance by others. They get used by most of the people.
They are
And
exploited, you were saying.
yes, yes.
Okay.
And
Okay.
humans are the most unpredictable. So thinking is a better option than feeling, because it said like you might feed a human 1 crore, still he might not be loyal to you. You might give him your lifetime. Example, Bill and Melinda Gates. So they might not be loyal. Okay, but animals are much more loyal than humans. It might happen that, like, I'll tell you my practical example which I faced. The most loyal customer of mine, I gave him credit, and after few years, he became the most disloyal customer and never returned back the money.
Okay. Fair enough. Richika, final comments. You have selected feeling and you justify it. Now you cannot change. I mean, I'm also feeling by nature and
I
maybe
agree what Siddhant said.
now you have to analyze and
हाँ,
explain
but
because
I prefer feeling because I have a quality of feeling. But whatever he is telling is right in his perception.
so you
I was
okay.
more of feeling oriented. No, I was more of thinking oriented. Then I switched to feelings and I faced a lot of distress and exploitation. Now I'm trying to again switch back to thinking, but it's complicated. It's not that easy.
So I believe when you are thinking, logically thinking, that doesn't mean you don't have feeling. It's not like that. You are thinking first a bit, then take a step. You are flowing with the feeling, do not have the logic enough. You end up with just having bad behavior or some kind of disloyalty and everything. Then better you think a bit first. Be logical enough and then go with the feelings, whatever your heart is saying.
Okay, fair enough. Shantini, your final comments quickly. 60 seconds. Shantini.
Yes, sir. I think I'm a very thinking as a personality. decision based on the logic of the situation is the most important for me. And we all know everything has a negative side and a positive side. So when you are thinking in your personality traits, then they know the both uses cause and effect reasoning and strive
Got to
for that.
emotional, but you're saying that emotional should be guided by the logic and rationality rather than blindly trusting on anything or blindly going by your instincts. That's what you guys are saying. So,
Yes.
Nilangshu Shomut, if you want to
Yes, sir.
conclude
I
by
want
saying,
to add one thing that
yes,
everyone
go
has
ahead.
a different cultural value or different basic principles. So we shouldn't get upset or vulnerable to other cultural values or ethics. So we have to think rationally. We have to analyze it first why they are acting like that or why the situation is like this. So I think thinking is the better option for me.
But it is never bad to be feeling, and there's no reason that you need to change it just because you will be exploited at some point of time. Not all people who are good feelings, who have good feelings, are exploited. So, Shomudip, your final comments on it.
If it comes to human beings, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Go ahead.
If it comes to human beings, then feeling. If it comes to money or to in some taking some decision, then thinking.
How human beings feeling in
In terms of
advertisement.
interaction, I'm talking about. I
Yeah,
differ your
Money
point,
is
Mr.
much loyal than human being.
no,
I differ with
we,
the point, Mr. Agarwal. Like you likely said, I was just hearing it out. Like then someone supported you as well. Like end of the day, it should be feeling and then thinking.
no, end of the day
I but
it is feeling. You see, India is driven by feelings. You pick up any
mhm.
advertisement on TV, it is based on fear appeal, it is based on emotional appeal and not based on logical appeal. That's why celebrities sell more than logic, okay, than analysis. So India is driven by feelings, India is fueled by feelings, but it should be thinking more. And one more factor comes into play. Once you get engrossed in thinking too much, then engrossed in feelings too much, then you are not able to think straight or you're not able to think deeper. This is a very close fact which you can observe in any relationship. Or like some parents, they don't want their kids to go to a different city and study because their feeling power is more stronger than their thinking power. Some students get into top colleges like
You are considering that too from
Sriram College,
a different
IIT.
perspective altogether.
No, we
I
have
will.
to analyze it from all the
Anyone
perspectives. It's not a
Yeah,
general. Yeah.
undoubtedly. That is something to be taken under consideration. But most of the time, what works, my dear friend, is that feeling. Listen, thinking is good. Listen, every individual is different. Right? The way I think, you don't think in that manner. Shobik sir is not thinking in that manner. Anyone else in the class is having. But if you're thinking all the time, if you're too logical every time, that will turn you into a machine. After all, like I said in the very inception of the class, we are dealing with animals of emotions, not logic. There should be feelings. Like one person, very person, I may have different perspective about that person, different day. Today I may not like him. Tomorrow I may fall in love with that person. Like we're talking about film star. Those are the things that happen in the movies you see all the time. So thinking every time, if you're thinking too much, that's too logical. Too logical. That will make you a robot, more of a human being.
Anubriti, you want to cut that point?
Yes,
Go
because
ahead.
I believe when logic, what the point is going on, that you may do not like a person now, you can fall in love. Maybe you can think in like that, that you are logical enough to understand that person. You
But
are
at the
not
end of
going
the
with the
day,
flow
you
of
have to have
emotion.
some sort of feelings also had, as Siddharth was
Logic
saying
Yeah,
about.
never
but
works in
thinking is
understanding
coming
people, my dear friend.
first.
Logic never works in understanding people.
By that logic, I will give an example. India is still thinking of.
Yes, sir. He is absolutely right. Logic कभी भी people को समझने में काम नहीं आता है. Logic से हमेशा
What?
decision लिया जाता है. But understanding या
Rishika,
किसी person
translate
को
this in
That's why they're
trans.
in the very beginning. If it comes to money or decision, it's thinking. If it's
and if
pupils,
you're
it's feeling.
logical, you will never fall in love with anyone, any person. क्योंकि उसमें भी आप
But I
लॉजिकल
think
सोचेंगे कि फायदा नुकसान क्या है.
Are you saying, Rishika, that those people who think they never fall in love with anyone?
I think so कि इसके लिए feeling की जरूरत
So,
है सर.
so if
Sir,
I say
they
like
think too much
that
that it can break their relation
if
after.
I say this point like that, you just first see someone, you don't know that person. Okay, you're
Sir,
going with the
if
flow.
we think or
After
if we
some days, you
overthink,
came to know. Let me finish, please.
Okay, go ahead,
Came
Anubhuti.
to know that
Add on.
that person is a criminal. Still, you are going with the feelings. You don't have a logical mind. You are not using it. That person is totally exploiting you.
But
And
by
what is
that
the logic
logic,
behind falling in love?
Anubhrati, if we keep on thinking and analyzing that person might become old, and the person who is also analyzing, he might also end up becoming very old.
And say one more thing, thinking हमेशा
Yeah,
अपने
but I'm
family
not
members
saying
के
that to
ऊपर
be barbaric. Thinking doesn't mean that you should be barbaric, you should be rude with someone. I'm just saying
Okay.
to be logical, rational at
I
first, at
think
least.
she's
Then you
saying
go with the feelings.
yes. I think she's saying first approach with the thinking, and it should be
Then you go with the
eighty
feelings.
percent thinking and 20% feeling. Feeling should have less weightage.
Yes, what I am trying to say.
Yes,
I mean,
I
you
think
start with
feeling.
feelings, then you
I,
will maybe end up with wrong
So I think
feelings, wrong
it's
beliefs.
better you intervene, because if this debate continues, I can continue all night.
But what Siddhant said one point that's very true, that India is most a thinking country, not because of the advertisement only. I was just reading a newspaper article that India is still thinking of giving some vaccines, donating vaccines, I would say, to Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, despite having so shortage of vaccines. Because in the South Asia or Southeast Asia, if we talk about, India is a superpower. If we compare us to Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, in terms of economy at least, so there is a sense of feeling, because if you think rationally, like United have done, they wouldn't be donating, or they won't be I would say they won't be exporting any vaccine in that case.
Sir, I would like to interrupt. Uh, this pointer which you pointed out, this is not driven by feeling. This is driven by thinking. This is a political game. It's a conspiracy.
I don't know. I'm not going into that, but still,
No, I can add one thing. Whenever you travel by a flight or something, they announce like that. Whenever there is a oxygen crisis, you help yourself first and then help others. Is there anything going wrong with the thinking mentality? Do you
no, it's
believe that?
absolutely right.
I
It's
mean, going
absolutely right.
with the feelings, you start helping others who died over there. Maybe if you just use those oxygen masks, you could help some people more over there. Maybe 10 people more. You are ended up losing everything, your life and others' life also. So what is the logic behind of that?
One more thing I would
Can we
like to
just
add.
sum up? Yes, Siddhant. Yes,
See,
continue.
now the trend of a single parent or a pet owner is very common. This is because people saw that considering feelings in a high percentage or high weightage, they are getting exploited. They saw their peers getting exploited. That's why the trend of being a single parent, a single
सिद्धांत एक सिंपल बात बोलो, सिद्धांत जी हिंदी में बात करते हैं, बहुत
no,
एक
no,
सिंपल
no.
बात बोलिए.
Speak in English.
Anyway, Siddhant, just I would like to ask one simple question. Just answer me yes or no. Okay, if you're like you're talking about logic, let's come to a basic level, absolute basic level. That is, if you see a person in distress, like sir was talking about vaccines and everything, or contribution towards PM Care Fund, forget about all those stuff as well. Just you see a person standing in front of you, a beggar who has not have a piece of grain for 2 3 days, absolutely creepy, brought down to the ground. What will you do? Will you help him with some money or not? If you be too logical, he will not. To be
No, no,
very
no,
honest,
no.
because at this day of pandemic,
I really
yes.
appreciate you bringing this point. This is something I would like to discuss. Like, this is something I really would like to discuss.
Can I
See,
interrupt 1 second, Siddhant?
yes,
So,
sir.
since Somudim has added a point, many a times we are being taught to be empathic towards the poor. When a poor doesn't need someone, to the downtrodden, we should help out. But overall, 60% of times we see it as a trend or a statistics that we donate somebody with a old man or a old woman or a very old lady with some arms with certain financial benefits. That money is being used for wrong purposes by the members of their family, in intoxication purposes, in gambling purposes. Doesn't that happen also?
Sir, I will tell you one real life example which my uncle faced. He was in a train, Indian Railway. A man came begging. He only had one leg. He did not have another leg. He was going to give money to that man.
Okay.
Then other person stopped and said, "Don't
Same
give
with
him." Okay.
Dana.
After some time, that the beggar, he's sitting on a bike with some other guy and going back home. Then that man got to know from that area people that that beggar's son owns a business, and that beggar still begs because he can make 50-70,000 rupees from that begging business.
Yes.
Hello?
Hmm.
Could you understand?
Yes.
Yes. So this is being used as a business. Basically, feelings are being used to exploit people, and the people who are doing this, they are thinkers. They are using feelings
Siddhant,
as
if
a
you allow me to
weapon.
speak.
They are
Siddhant,
using.
if you allow me to speak.
Let me complete.
I'm not entering into the business part of it. I'm not entering into anything else. I'm just talking from a human perspective that
Let
you
me
said
just let me just
standing.
speak. Let me just speak two more
Yeah, yeah,
lines.
yeah.
I think you will get your answer yourself. If someone comes
Undoubtedly.
to me, a
Go ahead.
small kid or an old person, saying I am hungry, I won't give him cash. I won't give him UPI. I won't give him Paytm. I will give him food. I will buy him a packet of biscuit. I will buy him a plate of idli. Okay, I won't give him cash. Never.
Which is based on thinking, which is rational.
Yes.
It is rational
Right.
and
Which is
with
rational.
flowing
That's what
with
we say.
feelings.
Which Siddhant exemplify.
The first very moment I would like to.
Shomudip, one second. Shomudip,
Yeah.
just a second. Shomudip, just a second. Ritu wants to add on a point. Just a second, Shomudip. Just
Yeah,
30
no,
seconds.
no,
Yes, Ritu,
not
please
more.
continue.
Sir,
Ritu, bolo.
yes, sir. What Siddhant said that if anyone, any beggars or any child, they ask for money, and you don't, you provide him food in place of money. It's okay, but you should be thinking for that. But should I give him money or any compensation, or should I give him food or other benefits, etc.? You should be
Okay,
thinking for that.
correct. I
It's
think
also logic
Shomudip should
based.
be given an opportunity to give his answer to that also. Yes, Gaurav, your quick points. You're
I
saying
think
something.
this is also a logic based situation that are giving the food without giving the money. So I think this is the logic, and we know
Okay.
all the situation that they can use
यहाँ
that
पे भी
money
तो
for drugs and other things.
So
So
generally,
हाँ
we experience that most of the person ask for money, not for food or another benefits.
Yes, yes. You will see an example. A boy begging on the train, local trains or streets. If you give him food or give her food, he would refuse it. He or she would refuse it in the first instance. He will ask for money, so that that money can be used, quote unquote, misused in some purpose.
सर
So yes, yes, Richika.
वो जो सिद्धांत ने जो एग्जांपल दिया है कि कोई पर्सन आपसे आके मांग रहा है तो आप सोच रहे हो कि आप उसको पैसा दो या फिर कुछ खाने का सामान दो, लेकिन आप में फीलिंग है तभी तो आप उसको कुछ भी दे रहे हो, या अदरवाइज आप नहीं दे सकते हो उसको, आप अटेंशन ही नहीं पे कर सकते
No,
हो।
no.
बहुत सही बात है.
Feeling will always coexist. I mean.
ह्यूमैनिटी फीलिंग है या फिर काइंड हार्टेड फीलिंग है तभी तो आप उसको अप्रोच कर दे
So
रहे हो
if I am not getting you human, if I am getting inhuman, then it strike on my brain that in place of instead of money, I should give him some food or
So
other
my
benefits.
last point is, if a person is 80% feeling and 20% thinking, will he be exploited in most occasions rather than being 80%?
Yes.
20%?
या
Yes.
डेफिनेटली
Why some people are 70% feeling, 30% thinking? You cannot change that. Like for example, I'm too emotional for
That is
that.
detrimental. But that is detrimental.
so I think
70%
then
feeling, 30% thinking.
What about 70-30? What about
That will be instinctive.
65-35?
That
What about 65-35?
50, 60, 60, 40 is the
There is
perfect balance, I
nothing.
believe.
Shomudip, 50-50 is very much utopian. There is nothing, it's theoretical. I mean, very seldom
Yeah, but
people
I
are
believe in
50-50 in
60-40. 40% as in logical thinking and 60% emotions. That's my way of thinking. I believe in
Yes,
that thought of
correct.
a
Even
school
with
of thought.
70-30, it can be. Even with 70-30, we can still manage. But more than that, we cannot manage. That is for sure. ठीक है, so that sums up the day. We had a good discussion. So please send a SWOT analysis on the Google Classroom. Most of you have got yourself added. That is strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat, which we can discuss it out in the next session. And that's how somebody wants to add on, or else we can wrap up for the day. So that's how it is. Thank you for your time. Thank you for discussions. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Take care. Bye-bye.
sir, uh, Hello, sir.
Yeah, Gaurav, I can hear you.
Sir, can you share this document in the Google Classroom
Yes,
or
I'll share it. I'll
WhatsApp?
share it in Google Classroom. Yes. Yeah, I will share it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.